You gonna blow out Winston's candles? Okay, go ahead. Get a little closer. Let him do one. Get a little closer. Hanson, get closer. A little closer. Yay!
Yay!
Yay for Winston!
Yay!
Can you go feed Winston his cupcake?
Can you ask Winston if he wants a bite? Winston, come over here. What's this?
Winston, Samson, don't touch the candles.
Yeah, but I have to eat it.
No, those candles aren't for eating. Here, go give this to Winston.
Winston, look. Do you want a bite?
Ew.
Get down.
Here's your cupcake.
Is he eating it?
Ew. Ew.
Oh me, oh my.
Damn it.
He eat it.
He did?
He eat it.
Is there one for you?
Yeah.
Did you? Oh my goodness sakes.